Are you looking for new ideas to help you attract more customers? You can promote your offers in several different ways on Allegro. This means you can increase your chance of selling your products up to 10 times. You have several promotion options to choose from: feature, promo package, and promotion on the category page. A feature puts your offer higher in the search results. Customers will see it before items that are not promoted. Additionally, in featured offers, customers can use the 0% interest installment option. You will, of course, receive the entire purchase price straight away, and this incentive may attract more buyers. Promo package includes additional bold and highlight. Bold means that the title of your offer will be seen in a clearer font, and the highlight makes your offer appear on a blue background. This makes it stand out from the rest of the offers, which are displayed on a standard white background without a bold title. If you choose to promote on the category page, we will present your offer in a special gallery. We will display a thumbnail there, which is the first photo from the offer and the price and offer's title. You can also choose a flexible feature for your offer. This type of offer will be promoted like a standard feature, but you decide how many days you wish to feature the offer for. You can choose the promotion option when listing a new offer or editing an existing one. If you need more advertising options, visit our Allegro Ads advertising platform. This means we will display your offers in the most visible places on Allegro, and you will only pay for clicks on your ad. You can find the simplified panel, Ads Express, in your Allegro account in the Sales tab under Offers Handling. As you can see, Allegro gives you many promotion options. Try them out with your offers and see which ones bring you the greatest profits. Watch more videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.